Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create the cell profile using manageprofiles.sh. So to create the cell profile, go to product bin directory. I've installed the product under app web IBM WebSphere app server. So cd to bin directory and run manageprofiles.sh -create -template path and provide the template name for cell profile, which is cell is as a profile template for cell profile, and take help here. So when you create the cell profile, you will need to run this manage profile for two times. So one is for deployment manager and another is for application server profile. And when you provide those values, like when you create those two profiles, so you have to make sure provide the same values for cell name, app server node name, and then the node name. So let's see how to create the profiles here. So let's run the same command, and then here first create the DMGR under this cell, profile name DMGR02, a node profile path. Here you will need to provide the application server profile name, which is appsrv02, and I'm going to create this later, and provide the cell name, which is WASAP hyphen mac hyphen 1 hyphen DMGR hyphen cell 02 hyphen then provide node name WASAP mac hyphen 1 DMGR node 02, and finally provide app server node name is WASAP mac hyphen 1 hyphen appsrv node 02. Okay, so hyphen cell name hyphen node name hyphen app server node name. So that's it. So I see everything looks okay to me. So let's hit enter and wait for the INSTCon success message. Okay, so I see the profile is successfully created. So let's create the default profile using the same command create template path app web IBM WebSphere app server profile templates cell, then default profile name will be DMGR02, going to be app server 02, then provide the profile name, and then to provide the DMGR profile path. It is going to be app web IBM WebSphere app server profiles dmgr02, then cell name, the same name from the previous command is cell 02, node name as ap mac-1 dmgr node 02 app server node name, which is was ap mac-1 app server node 02, and let's hit enter and see how it's gonna create. So in the other terminal, go to profiles, cd to dmgr02 that you created before, and run server status.sh-all and see. Yes, this is a deployment manager, and go to logs, dmgr logs, and cd2 and that logs directory, and run cat profile, cat about this profile.txt file. So here are the values that I provided. So I see the same values are added here, which is okay. So let's wait for another profile to create. And you can also go to this config cell name nodes directory, and if you look at here, I see two nodes now, right? So one is for deployment manager, another is for application server, and now the application server profile also successfully created. Let's go to profiles dmgr bin directory and run start manager.sh. Deployment manager started. Let's check the deployment manager admin port number. So cat this about this profile file. So here admin port number is 9060. So let's open the browser and run http:// as ap. So what support? We'll check it. So here let's launch the console/ibm/console. Okay, so here let's log in to the deployment manager console. If you look at here servers, right, I see cluster. That means it's a deployment manager console, and click on server types. Here I see the application server 1, which is showing status as unknown because the node is not started. Maybe let's go to system administration and nodes. So here I see two nodes. One is AppSRV node 2, so which is showing as status as unknown, and if you go to node agents, its status has stopped. So you can start the node for this application server profile. Go to app server profiles, cd2 appservice02, cd2 bin, and run /start node.sh to start the node. Okay, so here node agent is started. Click on node agents here. Just wait for some time. So where I am at server 02. Okay, let's troubleshoot. Looks like this is not showing me as dot state. So let's try to stop this node again. Let's go to deployment manager profile, logs and cat this about this profile.sh, and what is the support number? 8879. So let's to app service 02 bin directory and run sync node command. Okay, so let's see was ap mac -1 8879. Okay, it is synchronized. Start the node again. Start the application server as well. Okay, so once I synchronized, I can see that the node agent is showing started, and here server1 is currently showing stopped. So let's wait for server to be fully started. So now I see the server is started. So let's log out and log in once again and see, check it. Server types, Westpair application server. I see the server is now started. So this is how we create the cell profile and make sure that server is up and running. Okay, so that's all for this class. So we'll discuss about other profiles in next classes.